Hey everybody, Katie here with Omi Crochet, and in today's tutorial we are going to be making this scarf. I made it extra wide so it can be like worn as like a wrap or a shawl. Just wear it as a normal scarf. It's super soft. The yarn that I used is Loops and Threads Cotton Cream from Michaels. Probably my favorite yarn from Michaels. I think I used about 680 yards. So if you're going to make it in the same dimensions that I did, that's about how much you're going to need. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. The supplies that we'll be using for today's tutorial are a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and a 7mm crochet hook. And the yarn that I'm using is by Loops and Threads from Michaels. It's the cream cotton and it's in the color violet. Okay, we're going to start out by making a slip knot, and you want to go ahead and chain an odd number of chains. And for the scarf that I made, I chained 35, but for this video, I'm just going to do a small sample, and I am going to chain up 13. Okay, so I have my 13 chains, and I am going to flip it over, and I'm going to be working into this third loop back here. So here's my first one, go over to the second, and we are going to place a single crochet. Insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Now we're going to skip the next stitch and work into the next and place a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into that same stitch, place a single crochet. So draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Again, we're going to skip 1 and into the next, a double crochet, and a single crochet into the same stitch. And that's going to be the repeat. Skip 1, double crochet, and single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, double crochet, single crochet into the same stitch, and just work that all the way across. Once you get to the end, you should have 1 stitch remaining, and into that stitch place 1 double crochet. And that's what row 1 should look like. To start out row 2, chain up 1 and turn your work. And we are going to place a single crochet into the top of the first stitch. So insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And now what we're going to do is we are going to skip this stitch And instead of working under these 2 loops of this stitch, we're gonna go under the whole stitch. So in this space right here. So into that space, same thing, place 1 double crochet and a single crochet. Skip your next stitch and go under the whole stitch right here into this space. Double crochet and a single crochet. Skip your next stitch, go under the whole stitch, double and single, and that's what you're going to do all the way across. And once you get to the end right here, this is where you're going to place your last double and single together. And you should have 1 stitch remaining. That's the single crochet that we started our first row with. So into that single crochet, just place 1 double crochet. Chain up 1 and turn your work. And it's just a 1 row repeat throughout the whole scarf. So just keep working your doubles and singles all the way across. Here we are at the end again. Into this space, that's where we're going to place our last double and single crochet, and we are going to end with 1 double crochet. So each row will start with a single crochet and end with a double. Okay, so I have my small sample made up. I have 10 rows right here, and this is what it should be looking like. For the scarf that I made, I did a total of 156 rows, and that put me right around 80 inches in length. So just continue that 1 row repeat. Remember to go underneath the whole stitch after you skip the stitch, and each row should start with a single crochet and end with a double. It gives it, I don't know, I think it gives it a nice clean looking edge. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, thanks.